Hey, welcome to Clee's Backyard Woodworking with me, David. In this video, we're going to make a wooden windy spinner thingy. So for the spiral wind spinner, we will need a threaded rod. I'm using a 1/4 inch 20 thread. Then you'll need some lock nuts and washers and some kind of swivel hook to hang it up. And of course we need wood. So I have this old scrap piece of wood right here. I'm gonna get these cut up. I'm gonna cut up the threaded rod. I want to make a kind of a short one, and so you want to leave some thread on the top and on the bottom so you can put in your washers and lock nuts. And then on the top part you want to drill a hole, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And for the swivel thing, I got these barrel swivels that you use for going fishing. So I have one of these, pretty heavy duty, with some wire and a loop. So this loop here, you can hook it on a hook. So let's get to cutting the wood. I'm gonna use the miter saw, so we'll be right back. Alright, so I'm getting the center of the wood. So I'm going to drill the holes with the 1/4 inch bit. And I'll do it the center of the wood. Drill press would be great for this. I do not have one. So manually it is. Alright, let's get this done. Alrighty, so I decided to do 2 of them. So here's the first one at 3/4 inch thick. I got this one. I'm going to put this to the side for now. I cut up 1/2 inch thick pieces like that. Alright, now I'm going to drill in all the centers and put that one up together. So let's do that. Yeah, drill press will be good about now. These will come not crooked. I think they'll be alright. Alright, so now I'm going to tighten the bolts up and then sand it down. Then I'll cut out my shape and do a little bit more sanding. And then I'll start placing the wood on the edges like this. Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to shape up these edges with the cut saw extreme burrs and the Dremel 4300 using the flex shaft. You can go in the description and save 5% if you use my promo code CLEAVEBW. I'll leave the code right here, right about here. Yeah. Alright, so everything got sanded up to 220. Now I'm going to spray with some red paint. And then I'll start staggering them up and gluing them together. So now I'm staggering the pieces using some wood glue. So keep putting it end to end, just like that. Making it like stairs. So let me go ahead and do all these. And we'll get to the rod to attach the swivel and to hang it up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish gluing these pieces, staggering them to make that stair effect. Now I'm going to use a mix of the CA glue and the Type Bond wood glue. So let me finish all this up, fix some of these cracked pieces, and then I will drill the hole in the rod and then paint it again and go from there. So I'll be right back. Alright, got that tight. Now I'm gonna smooth out this rod and drill a hole in it. Alright, so I'm gonna file down some of that rod and then I'll drill the hole. Alright, so I got this drill bit in, pretty thin. I think it's 5/64, something like that. So just want to make sure it's big enough so you can fit in the loop or the hook of what you're trying to do. Not as big so that it ruins the rod, or it's too big for the rod. So this is about perfect for me. So let's drill this hole. There we go. So look what came in. I got a new package. All of this was because of you guys. Thank you very much. Using the links from Amazon affiliates has give me a few bucks so I can purchase some more products for the channel. So thank you guys very much. So let's open this up. Yes. So these are the new hooks I got. So I'm just in time to hook it up with this new wind spinner. Let's take one out or two. So I'll leave a link in the description below on these hooks that I got. So let's hook it on. They have these little latches, so I need to bend it just a little bit to get it through the hole, and then I'll bend it back in and hook it up. So I'm just going to use these pointy nose pliers. Let's see if this works. There we go. Let's just bend it back in. Alright. Stick that in there. There we go. Alright. So there it goes. Nice spin. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it again. I had run out of this red paint, so I'm going to go Colonial Red. Spray it all down, get all the wood. Okay, all done. Added a paint strip on that red spinner. With also added the new rotating hanger. They hold up to 11 pounds. I'll leave a link in the description for those hanger hooks. I'll say these wood spinners came out pretty cool. We'll definitely use better wood next time and make them a bit wider. Well, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the thumbs up. And as always, I'll catch you later.